Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Leslie and tonight we are going to do a cash stuffing prep. First thing I want to do is take my fingernail polish remover and take away this part. As always, I will have $135 in my wallet. I don't know why I keep talking like this. Anyway, so let me grab a color. I'll go with lime green this time. Save the date. I got paid on the 20. Okay, well, we can't see any of that. That is fantastic. Let's try purple. We got paid on the 23rd. So we want 120 and 3 ones for $23. I have my dinner here. Very healthy. Have you guys tried the new chicken fingers at McDonald's? They're rather good. Kind of healthy, right? All right, 26 weeks. I'm going to do $7 this week because I have vacation coming up and, you know. And then the only thing I want to put anything else into is vacation. I want to do 50, 75. So let's see what that totals, and if I have that much left. 135 plus 23 plus 7 plus 75 plus, oh, okay, 240. That's what I had in mind. Under 250 would be good. Perfect. So tomorrow I will go to the bank and get the $240 out. What I want to go through right now, I'll put this into my electronic. I guess I could do it while I talk. I don't know if it's even charged. I don't even know where my pen is because everything's a wreck. So we'll come back to that. Let's do something fun. Let's open I went and grabbed a handful of bags for the heck of it. And I figure, you know, let's eat it, have some chicken and fries. Alright, let's start with the durables. Oh, we don't have that one. The little chick from Toy Story, don't know her name. Her name would be Jessie. Oh, maybe that's a he? No, that's not Jessie. That can't be. Hold on. Well, that's Jessie. Okay, so I guess Jessie's a girl, right? Because she's got long hair. Okay, whatever. You got that one. Oh, I got a mini. I might have to keep the Minnie. Minnie's cute. I like the Minnie. Alright. And we got, hey, no duplicates. It's Thumper and he's fuzzy. Oh. Oh, can I keep him? He's so cute. I don't know. We'll see. Because some of these are going to my niece. The rest will go to my great nieces for them to play with while we are in vacation in a couple more weeks. Let's see what we got. Oh, we have a kitty. This is Bandit, the American Shorthair. Cute. We could just lay these all out, couldn't we? Alright. Oh, it's a pretty one. This is Mr. Wonderful. Excuse me. An Abyssinian. Okay. Mr. Wonderful. Isn't that the cutest? Then we have, oh, no duplicates. Yay. Then we have Pickles. Pickles. The American Bobtail. Huh. I need Oakley the orange tabby for my kitten. Okay, those are cute. Alright guys, so tonight's video was pretty short, pretty sweet, and not that sweet, more on the salty side. Okay. Alright, so I will see you in the morning for another video on stuffing the $240 into my cash envelopes. See you then. Bye everyone.